We're going to put up some of your major holdings and what they did.
That's
which
fine.
wasn't too pretty. You'll recognize these numbers, no doubt about it. You can see there from Apple to Microsoft to Amazon, there's a lot of loss going on. How did you do overall in the month of February? We know for CalPERS, we didn't hear for CalSTRS.
Yeah, well, we don't track things monthly, and we don't put out those kinds of numbers. I was just at the long-term investment conference yesterday here in New York, and that was part of the focus, was stop looking at daily numbers and volatility. February was a tough month, as you said, because over half of our portfolio is in equities. So 80% of our portfolio is in daily valued securities. So it does move up and down, but we're a long-term investor, so the daily move, I'm not selling, I'm not trading on a month like February.
So you've always said and been consistent in saying you're a long-term investor. Did anything in February make you rethink that long-term strategy? Not because it just happened in February, but it indicated something that might happen over the longer term.
Absolutely. Well, two things. We've been a net seller of the U.S. equity market since the summertime. Every time it hit a new high, we would take profits. And for the last couple of months, when the non-U.S. market and the U.S. market would touch new highs on the same day, I kept telling my staff, I've been at this 30 years. This is not common. This is unusual. Let's take money off the table, take our chips away as we're taking these profits. So what February said to us is volatility is finally coming back. One of the few stats when people look back at 2017 that they missed, there were no single days where the market moved 2%, even within a day. That's absolutely unusual. You expect to have quite a few of those. So we felt we were going to come into a period of more volatility. February reaffirmed that. I wouldn't be surprised if this market stays in a bit of a trading range for a while. We've gotten absolutely neutral in our asset allocation. We rebalanced right back to the base on everything, and we're looking at where are there other assets, other parts of the world, because things are priced to perfection.